literacy coaches with the TRI. We are so glad that you've been joining us to watch our videos and play with sounds and letters and words and books. And we just wanted to offer a few more suggestions for ways you can extend this learning at home. One of the things you can do is to encourage your early reader to interact with the same letter tiles that we're using in our videos while they're watching along at home. And you can do this a couple of different ways. You might already have some materials at home that you could use. Maybe you have magnetic letters, maybe you have letter tiles or something like that that will allow them to manipulate the letters. If you do, that's great. Go ahead and use those. If you don't, we want to show you two ways that you can make your own letter tiles. First, in our description of this video, we've included a file that will allow you to print out letter tiles that will look exactly like the ones that we use in our videos. You are more than welcome to print these out and have your child work along with us. If you don't have access to a printer, it's really easy to make your own letter tiles. All you need is some paper. You could have a piece of scrap paper, it could have writing on one side as long as the other side is blank. Or you could even use notebook paper, whatever kinds of paper you have around the house. You will also need a pair of scissors and something to write with. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your paper and you're going to hold it like you're ready to write a letter. Then you're going to fold it in half once, fold it in half again, and fold it in half one more time. When you open your paper up, you will find yourself with 8 rows. You're going to turn your paper, fold it in half again, and fold it in half one more time. So now your paper is going to look like this. When you open it up, you will have 32 boxes. You're going to take your writing instrument and you're going to write each letter of the alphabet in one of the boxes. You're going to find that you have a few extra boxes, so I recommend writing an extra S, an extra M, an extra D, and an extra T. When you're done, your paper is going to look something like this. Then you're just going to take your scissors and you're going to cut on your fold lines so that you have a full set of letters. Now, for some of our youngest readers, these might be a little bit small and maybe a little bit hard to manipulate. If that is the case for your reader, it's really simple to make slightly larger tiles. All you're going to do is you're going to need 2 pieces of paper, and you're going to take your paper and you're just going to fold it once, twice in each direction. Open it up, once, twice. And when you open it all the way up, you'll find that you have 16 squares, which you'll use exactly the same way as if you did the full 32. These tiles will be slightly larger and maybe easier for smaller fingers to manipulate. Remember, you do not have to use letter tiles to watch our videos and to interact with us. This is just one way to extend your child's learning. We hope that you're having lots of fun with letters and sounds, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.